Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the container. Open Google Drive, choose New, and pick Google Forms. Once done, set the form to a quiz under Settings right arrow Quizzes so you can assign points and auto-grade. Next, name the quiz and add a clear description that explains timing or policies. Make sure to select default point values for similar items to save time. You're now ready to add your first question with type, options, and an initial answer key to establish grading behavior. You'll now construct the quiz body. Add questions and pick types that match your objective. For each item, click Answer key to mark correct responses, assign points, and add feedback for correct or incorrect answers to guide learners. Once you have many questions, use sections to break content and employ question order shuffling for security. Also attach images or videos when needed. Finally, test a few questions, previewing the form to confirm scoring and feedback behave as you intended. You wrap up by configuring responses and delivery. In Settings, choose whether to collect emails, limit to one response, and set release timing to immediately or later after manual review. Next, preview on mobile and desktop, then distribute via link, Google Classroom, or embed code. After responses arrive, use the grading summary or export to Sheets for analysis. If something goes wrong, first verify quiz release and grading settings, then check permissions and clear your browser cache before retesting to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.